Hello, I'm Rhonda Porter here with your weekly episode of The Mortgage Porter for the week of September 15th, 2025. Optimal Blue shows that mortgage rates as of last Friday, September 12th, averaged about 6.263% for the 30-year fixed conforming. But please remember, this Optimal Blue index is an average from about 35% of mortgage transactions, which are based off of lenders who use Optimal Blue for locking in their interest rates. So you cannot lock in last Friday's rates. And also your credit scores, loan to value, and other factors will impact how your rate is, including if these rates are having points or no points when you go to price them in. So if you'd like to have a mortgage rate based on your personal financial scenario, please reach out to me. I am happy to help you with that. This week is all about Wednesday with the wrap of the two-day Fed meeting. It's already priced into the markets that the Fed will reduce the Fed funds rate by a quarter point on Wednesday. If they do anything else, markets will react. So the Fed commentary following the rate announcement on Wednesday may also impact mortgage interest rates. Current odds are at 96% for the Fed to reduce the funds rate by a quarter point. Remember, this does not impact mortgage rates directly. Mortgage rates are bonds based off mortgage-backed securities, and they react similar to stocks. This rate does impact home equity lines of credit and other debts that are attached to the prime rate, which follows the Fed funds rate. So current odds are at 74% for another quarter point drop in the next meeting on October. It's almost 2 p.m. Seattle time as I prepare this for you, and you can see that the trending green dashes upward towards the end of this chart here show the improvement in mortgage rates with the 30-year mortgage-backed securities, which mortgage rates are based on. And the markets are pricing in the Fed funds rate reduction on Wednesday. This is showing us that this is the lowest rates that we've had in a while. And I think that it's interesting that the green dashes tend to be smaller. And the red dashes tend to be larger and more dramatic. And so the green dashes represent mortgage rates improving, and the red dashes are mortgage rates going up. And it just goes to prove that mortgage rates always tend to go up much quicker than they come down. So it's a good thing to take advantage of mortgage rates when they are lower. And we'll see what happens with the Fed on Wednesday. This week's In the Spotlight, I want to feature a first-time homebuyer Wednesday workshop that I put together. I'm going to be holding 1-hour workshops on Wednesdays during the lunch hour. It's geared towards first-time homebuyers. As someone who used to teach 5-hour classes on the weekends for homebuyers, I've always thought it would be a great idea to break this information down into kind of more digestible chunks for people to absorb and take in. And these classes will be recorded so you can replay them. And they're going to feature a lot of different topics just in 1-hour chunks. So our first class is going to kick off on October 1st, and the session will cover essential topics that can help people who are even not buying their first home. Maybe it's a second home or they want a refresher course. These are free, and to register, you can visit my blog at www.mortgageporter.com/education. If you have any questions or want to sign up, please reach out to me. And if you're thinking about buying, selling, refinancing, remodeling your home, restructuring debt, or reverse mortgage, I'm happy to help you with that, even if it's months away. We can even work on a budget, review credit. I'm here to help you or anyone you know with your mortgage needs. Be sure to check out my blog, Mortgage Porter, and subscribe for weekly updates. Take care, and I hope to talk with you soon. Bye-bye.